Hey guys, this is PNC's extremely sour juice. Remember, every time you put an ingredient, you can put our secret ingredient, which is lemon juice, and if you like the sour. Alright, and for this one, it's going to be extremely sour, so I recommend you put it in if you like sour. Okay, the first step is Fruit 2O natural lemon flavor. Then you add a little lemon juice if you want the sour, and we're gonna make it sour in the demonstration right now. And then the second step is Capri Sun wild cherry flavor. Then you put in a little lemon juice. Okay, the next step is Newman's Own Gorilla Grape flavor. Oh, it looks disgusting, but it tastes really sour. Don't worry. Then add a little lemon juice. Then you add Tropicana fruit squeeze mango orange flavor. Okay, now add a little lemon juice.
Stir well.
Yeah, stir well.
Should end up orange.
It should. And stir it with a spoon.
Enjoy.
Yeah, it should be good.
Sugar is but not sour.
Remember, it's sour. Please try it. Movie Machine Production. Bye.